How to enable Spotify on Google Maps. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can enable Spotify on Google Maps. Now, the first thing you want to do is open the Google Maps on your device. Spotify has teamed up with Google Maps to let you control your journey and listening in one place. So to enable Spotify in Google Maps, all you want to do is tap on the profile icon at the top right corner, then scroll down and tap on Settings. Now scroll down, tap on the option of Navigation. Here you will find the option of Show Media Playback Controls. Toggle this option on. Now as you can see, Spotify has been checked. Go ahead and tap on Next. Now tap on OK. Now tap on Agree. And as you can see, you have successfully enabled Spotify in Google Maps, and that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.